Hey guys, happy almost weekend. It's Thursday and I have the perfect Mother's Day gift for you if you are still looking for the perfect Mother's Day gift. Fellas, for your wives, or ladies for your mothers, or just for a friend. But this is the perfect Mother's Day gift because this is what all women love and want. We love to be organized and we love our beauty products, and we can do it all in one place. So I just received my brand new Sherrieblossom ICEbOX, and it's right here. And a new palette thing that has all my palettes in here. So it's so organized and it just sits everything in here. I'll do like a little close of it in a minute. But I absolutely love this. I have one of my older ones. I have a bunch of jewelry in it, which is like, so if you can see, it's like amazing. Cause see, look, this whole top part, it's tall enough and you have little sections where you can put everything, and everything gets to stand up inside, which my old one wasn't like this. But I love this because it's just so easy. You just pull out your stuff, and then it has multiple drawers with different organizing things. And the best part is there's all different sizes. Like this might be too big for your house, or it might be too high for your space. But there's wide ones and short ones and tall ones, and I mean there's all different kinds that you can do. And I picked this one for my space because it's exactly what I needed, and it fit in my vanity area, and I love it. So I hope you guys are having a great spring. It's beautiful outside. It's almost Easter. Mwah.